So myself Jayant Mehta. I live in Nagpur. I'm from Nagpur, but currently I'm living in Toronto, Canada. And my life before transplant was literally a nightmare. Like seeing self hair loss on the daily basis was a nightmare for me. Then I searched everywhere, and then I found the new roots, and I looked for more options, but in the end, I found the new routes were the better one because I had a friend who referred me here. I used to wear a cap for almost like 4 to 5 years, traveling everywhere, even in the local city. And on last November, I did a hair transplant. And after that, for the first time, I traveled internationally without the cap. And even my friends and everyone was saying that, yes, you got a good hair growth. And I would recommend new routes for the hair transplant and their consulting services, their proper treatment, and after surgery, a proper consultation is really good. And right now, my life is like I'm back to normal after 4 to 5 years.